luck. This game I'm playing 3 years. Start the real part. Cash hunt! Alright! Beautiful! Woohoo! Alright! Ah. Let's take a look. 108 multiplies on the wall. Look at the amount of 100x. And you know what? You know what? They ain't gonna be 100x. They are gonna be 1000x because we got a 10x from the top slot on that cash hunt. Ooh, this looks amazing. Wow. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. There's a bunch of 1000x's you may find. Man, this has got to be good. This like the last one, the least one, that's for sure. The last round for me, probably. Alrighty, decision time, everybody. What is your choice? I got my spot over there. I'll have a cupcake this time. Here, have a cupcake. There's the meme, I suppose, right? I don't know really where's it coming from. But anyways, guys, decision time is over right now. Whew, alrighty, we're gonna bring back the colors to the cash hunt again real soon. How's the next? I'm really curious about like either way you get 10 times the better payout than you would have gotten without the top slot. So man, this is like the best out in a while that I've had the bonus rounds and crazies. Yeah. Colors, Bularos, backgrounds. Yes. Alright, 100x for me. 1000x is all around the place. 801 of you guys found the 1000x. Oh my hearts! Congratulations, winners. This was a fantastic way, honestly, to finish up a session. Good job, winners, and I'm out. Bye.
138k is the highest win, though. It's a decent amount.
I miss you, Kata. Well, not anymore. The classic phrase that I always say to you. I'm good and well, and I'm doing very good. I'm honestly very happy to be here tonight. Good luck. This game I'm playing 3 years. Most of your pachinkos are good. Hey, 10x and a crazy time. Well, nickname, I do hope. I truly do hope it's gonna continue the same way. How are you, Keita? Are you kidding me, Daria? Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, now put your hands up! Crazy Tom with a 10x top slot. Let's go! Alright, well, this is gonna be a fun round. Follow me. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are. Before we start the real party, we will make every single multiplier 10 times more. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you have to make a choice, green, blue, or the yellow flapper. Most of you have chosen the blue flapper. Max multi right now is 1000x. 1000x. Unless you are getting the double. So, let's push the button. And here we go. Oh boy! 250x for the blue, we get 500 for the green, and 1000.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Somebody like me.